Hey, I was born in a small Russian town called Izhevsk. It's located in the Udmurtia Republic and is mainly known for its industry. If you walk around the city, you'll see lots of factory pipes and multi-story Soviet buildings. I lived here all my childhood and always thought that Izhevsk was a cultural desert. But the world's been changing, and this summer I thought it was time for me to maybe look at my hometown from a new perspective. So I decided to find out what its citizens are inspired by and explore the cultural scene of the capital of Udmurtia. Let me show you. Let's go! I'm here in the city center today because today actually there is a big event that's going on here. It is called Tchaikovsky Festival. You know that Tchaikovsky was born in the Udmurt Republic in a small town of Plotkinsk, which is not far from Izhevsk, but because Izhevsk is a big city, all the big events of this festival are going on here. Today there is a big concert. It's gonna be on the main stadium of Izhevsk. During 3 days, I think, there's gonna be many events dedicated to Tchaikovsky all around the Udmurt Republic. This is the main stadium of Izhevsk, and you can see that there are crowds of people coming to see the concert. It's an annual festival. A lot of musicians from all over Russia come to Izhevsk every year and they perform on big stages. And all the stars of classical music come to Izhevsk. For example, today here we'll see Denis Matsuev. He is a famous pianist who has performed on many stages all over the world, and he has collaborated with orchestras from different countries. I have never seen him live actually, so I'm really excited. Honestly, for me this event was really beautiful. I especially like the vibe. I've come up with this term, industrial romanticism. You could see those run-down Soviet buildings in the background, the busy central street of a little industrial town, and at the same time listen to this great classical music that makes all the surroundings look kinda poetic. Do you know what I mean?
Разной высоты, нарушение пожарных норм.
Да, такой стадион. My dad is an architect and he was complaining about the structure of this building, especially the stairs, because they're not visitors friendly. It's kind of difficult to use them. So the concert is over. I think it was really amazing. The music was great and I liked the variety. They were playing music by different composers like Rachmaninoff and Tchaikovsky, Sibelius. The orchestra was really great as well. It's the Udmurt State Orchestra. I'm really surprised by the quality of their music. I'm really glad that I was here today. А вы на каком инструменте?
На скрипке.
Здорово. Как у вас впечатление от концерта?
Отличные впечатления, очень хорошие музыканты, замечательные просто, мы в восторге.
А вы в первый раз с Мацуевым и вообще с большими такими музыкантами?
Очень давно мы с ним работали, лет 10 или 15, точно не помню. Очень было приятно снова с ним встретиться и поработать.
Здорово. А оркестр у вас путешествует по России или вы только в Удмуртии?
У нас раньше были гастроли, но сейчас другая ситуация, поэтому сейчас меньше. У нас больше по Удмуртии ездим.
Здорово. Очень красиво вы играли.
Спасибо большое.
And now let's just have a walk around Izhevsk. Can you hear the music? It comes from a fountain on the central square.
То и дело звучат отголоски, торжествуют сегодня в Крыму. Родился великий Чайковский, и все комплименты ему. Петр Ильич это место любил всей душой.
I think it's really cool that they displayed this movie on the fountain. Yeah, I was surprised. I have never seen anything like that before. So it's been an eventful evening, and I'm really looking forward to tomorrow when I'm gonna go to the ballet. Today is day number 2 of Tchaikovsky Festival here in Izhevsk, Russia, and I'm next to the main music hall of the Udmurtia Republic. It's this Soviet building which doesn't look very fancy, but the music that they play here is supposed to be really good. The next day of the festival, I went to see a modern ballet from Yekaterinburg. It was shown in the main concert hall of Izhevsk. The ballet was very modern, so a lot of things were unclear and there was lots of room for interpretation. But it's still nice that this festival is not only about the past, but also the present and the future of art.
今天天气好极了。是啊，不冷也不热。
Even though Tchaikovsky only spent his childhood in Udmurtia, I guess this place has still influenced him a lot. It's great that people still remember his art and honor him here in Izhevsk every year. If you're ever in Udmurtia, I do recommend you to visit this festival, as well as the Tchaikovsky's house in Vodkinsk. Let me know in the comments what you think of his music, and would you ever come to Udmurtia to see this place where he lived? Have a great day. Bye.